I just want to specify something. The Fed changes the federal funds rate, but the federal funds rate is not the interest rate. They do mirror each other to a degree, but the Fed raises and lowers their federal funds rate, which is the rate that the banks borrow at. So the bank has to make a little bit of a spread in order for them to make money. So there is a federal funds rate, and then the interest rate is usually about 1.5 points above that. It kind of hovers depending on consumer sentiment and whatnot. But right now, the federal funds rate between 5 and 5.25. And Jerome Powell and the Fed have said that they do plan to bring that down and bring it down closer to 4% to the end of 2024. Now that's about a point drop, about a percentage drop in the federal funds rate. Does that mean that there's going to be a 1% drop in interest rates? Not necessarily, because while they do kind of tend to mirror each other, right now in February of 2024, the delta there, that spread is much lower than normal. So if we have a drop in the federal funds rate of 1.25%, I anticipate that 1.25 drop in the federal funds rate will lower interest rates probably about a half to 3/4. So right now we are at 6.5% interest for the interest rate. So to me, that means it's going to come down to about 6 to 5.75 at the end of 2024. So those are my predictions. Those are my thoughts. I do not see the rates going back down to what we had at 2, 3, 4%. So if you're locked in at that rate right now, then thank your lucky stars, and think twice about if you want to sell your property, because when you sell the property, you're going to take advantage of some high prices right now. You're going to get a good price, but also you're selling that debt, and the debt is an important part of that too.